All right, we were pulling up in the cemetery here off Clinton Boulevard, right outside of, right in Jackson, right before you get to Clinton, Lakewood Memorial. And the other one is Lakewood South. They've done a lot of work out here. Just kind of show y'all here. I don't really know what the gazebo is for and whatnot, but it's really pretty. Got the, what are those called? Mausoleum? Mausoleum. And this one is considerably busier than the other cemeteries we've visited today. Already seen twice as many vehicles, one pulling out and one pulling in. Oh yeah, they've actually ripped it all up. This is all new roads.
Okay.
It ain't just repaved. It's all new. They still got to put the top layer on. But they're doing a ton of work out here, which I believe there was a WABT story or WLBT story or something that led to this, and how bad a shape it had gotten in. We'll do a pretty detailed ride through. Just thought I'd show you all the new roads, and then we'll move the camera off the windshield and kind of give you all a side view of what's going on. And you want to know what's weird is they've got those are facing this way, and there's the road right here. So they're either under us or they've had to relocate them.
I know. It's very weird. I was noticed right here is the same way.
Yeah. So what we're noticing is they've had to relocate or something. There's some graves right here, but they're at the curb, and there's no way that they're running under the road. I can't imagine they are. How disrespectful that would be. And it's the same thing on the other side here. Yep. We'll get some footage of that here in a minute. It's like that all the way around here. There's grave markers right along the curbs. And I'm telling you, there's no way. Well, I know you're buried 6 feet under, but there's no way that they're not either running under the road or haven't had to be moved or something. I'm not an engineer, I don't know. Just guessing. Here's where you get back into where the roads are just in horrible shape through here. I understand them building new ones, but the fact they let it get as bad as they did. So is it a religious thing to be buried in mausoleums versus the ground, or?
No. She just didn't want to be buried. It's just preference.
Is your grandmother in a
she's
mausoleum?
up there.
She's in one of those?
Yeah, she's
okay.
up there. My mom's mom. Micah is somewhere around here.
Yeah, Benji is either back here or in the South Jackson one too, and Kylie's aunt is back here. Right over there. this. So bad. Thought I'd get out and just kind of show you all the condition of this road, and they have torn it up some, so I don't want to make it like it's all them, but I came to a funeral here about 2 years ago, and it legit wasn't much better. I mean, we had to dang near drive through the grass to get through there, but it's bad. It's really bad out here, but they are redoing it, so I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. But again, how do you let it get so bad? All right, we're back in the car here. May actually be bigger than the other one. Once we kind of get back here riding around. Yep. This is a lot of space. I'm gonna go out on a limb and just guess they've sold out of plots at the other one, and that's why there's
at Lakewood South.
No, Cedar Lawn.
Oh, I don't know.
No, Lakewood South.
They'd have plenty.
Yeah. You know, they also built one, I don't know if it was a Lakewood. The company went bankrupt, but it was the one that was over there on Elton Road, on the frontage road by Bridges Park.
Mm-hmm.
Stairways to nowhere. It's like you're riding through a neighborhood with stairways going to people's houses that aren't there. Well, I guess they are their houses, but they're forever homes. Still blown away by how close they are to the roads. Maybe they're buried backwards and they're at the ends.
I don't know. I mean, it's just odd. I've never seen it done like that. So each of these have sections, like that's section 12. I was thinking about asking Nathan. He would know.
a nice boulevard through here. Unfortunately, it's not nice. Needs a lot of work. Look at that. Well, that's ominous. There's the Edwards. Here's who it is. I don't have the family here no more. We are back. You think that's like a family plot or something?
Yeah. I think so.
I'm curious. Does every cemetery have the same birds?
Geese. Well, I think it's because they have water, you know, like a lake or they like to swim. We've made a day out of this. We did.
The garbage can's full of flowers. It's just so weird to me.
It's just the old ones.
Look at this pothole.
It's awful.
Phenomenal. Guys, we're gonna wrap this video up here at a Lakewood Memorial in Jackson, the westest part of Jackson, right before Clinton, off Clinton Boulevard. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to check us out at savejackson.com and all of our social media handles at Save Jackson, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that. Thanks. Well, after visiting a family member, I thought we were closer to the exit, but we're not, so I figured I'd talk to y'all and show y'all what we had out here on our way out of here. Well, out of the 3 cemeteries we visited today, it's really weird for a couple people who don't consider themselves cemetery secret routers. Cemetery tourist. this is by far still the nicest, other than the roads are just in horrible shape. I'm gonna have some questions about these plots that are so close to this new road. Y'all can see what we're talking about here. I mean, look at that. And they're facing this way, the words and all that on the headstones. That is it for Lakewood.